A&C is always trying to think of innovative ways in regards to the center, and we value our tenants. So one of the major challenges we've been having over the few years has been stable and consistent power. So we were basically looking at a long-term solution in regards to how do we resolve this, both for ourselves and also find ways to reduce cost for our tenants. So the whole solar has been in play for several years. We've spoken to a lot of companies, but we were not happy with their direction and the proposals they put in place until we met SunPower. We were happy with what they were bringing on the table. We were also confident that they could execute. So it was a partnership with SunPower to execute one of the biggest commercial installations. The idea was to totally go off-grid.
We've installed a 1.3 megawatt system with a 2 megawatt hour battery standby to support the load for the center. So what usually happens is during the day, the panels generate the electricity to supply the power for the center. Then when the sun comes down around the evening time, the batteries come in to support the system. We've currently installed 3,900 panels across the center on all the roofs, the carports, and the playground. With the solar, you get reliable, stable electricity. Then in terms of savings, you get 20 to 30% savings on electricity costs with the solar. So A&C Mall is currently the only retail institution with solar installations powering the whole center. So we believe in green energy, and this is our contribution towards greening the whole of Accra.
The project has been very successful. The benefits of the solar is, one, from a green standpoint, we're basically not running generators. It's cleaner energy, it's better for the environment. The savings the tenants will be enjoying will be about 30%. And from a long-term standpoint, we get a good return on our investment as well. I believe this will be the biggest commercial installation in Africa. As you know, the cost of power is very expensive. So it was one of the reasons why it made sense to go off-grid. The system has been running for about 4 to 5 months, and the tenants have been enjoying the fruits of the installation as well. So these are some of why we made the decision to look at it from a long-term standpoint and provide energy, cleaner energy, more cost-effective energy, and also a stable energy for our tenants.